these are what you'll be needing if you want to transfer gas from one cylinder to another. You will need two pair of this, two pair of this, and two pair of this. This and this are the same, are similar. So you need two pair of this. So now all you have to do is attaching the nozzle to the other end of the hose. So which will probably look something like this. It will look like this. This is to one end and this is to the other end. So know that when transferring from a 12 kg cylinder to another 12 kg cylinder, this is only what you be needing, just this hose and nozzle. These are just what you will just be needing, just this. So because 12 kg, you can easily fix this head to 12 kg. So you fix the one of the head to one of the 12 kg and the other head to the other 12 kg. Then you now use the procedure I'll be showing you next. But when you are transferring from smaller cylinders, for example like 6 kg, 3 kg like this, you will need this. So for 12 kg you have to skip this very process, but for 6 kg and 3 kg or cylinder with this type of head, you need this. So all you do is fix one of these to one of the cylinder like this. Then you fix the second one to the other side of to the other cylinder like this. So when you are done, all you just have to do is take one of the head like this, place it on it and plug it in. Take the other one to the other one, take it down and swipe it in. So but for 12 kg you will need this last process I'm about to do here, but you won't require you won't require the valve. So what you do next is open, let's say this is the one with gas you want to transfer into this empty cylinder which there is no gas. All you have to do is open this one up, open it, then open this one too, open this one too, open this one. Once it's open, then just take it off and hang it upside down like this, and hang it upside down and have it opened. And hang it upside down like this. Same thing you have to do for the 12 kg when you are transferring from 12 kg from one cylinder to another. So you have to hang it upside down, then you have to open the valve. Then you now open the valve up so that gas begin to flow from this cylinder into this other cylinder. So you will need this process for 12 kg cylinder. It's going to be the same way. So you have to take the one with gas and raise it up to some height, then turn it upside down and open it up so that the gas can flow through and go into the other one. So that's how you transfer gas from one cylinder to another. That's how you do gas transfer from one cylinder into another one.